Hello. In this video today, we are going to review batch details in order to look through inbound activity, the transaction details of a record, and to determine essentially what the result of that transaction was. Did we have a completed operation or a completed transaction there where no operation was performed on a record, or perhaps maybe it was completed but resulted in a golden record being updated. So to demonstrate this, it's going to walk through the steps that you would perform. You're going to want to make sure that you're logged in and looking at your repository page, essentially logged into Master Data Hub. From the Master Data Hub portion of the platform, we're going to want to go and look at reporting. You can see the drop down will allow you to look at inbound activity. We're going to want to select that. You should see whatever inbound activity is indicated. In this situation, if we're looking for records where no operation was performed, one easy way to see that is to look here, and you'll see, for example, no records were quarantined. So there are two batches here with 280 entities between the two batches. None were quarantined, created, updated, or deleted. So this is a pretty good example of some records that had no operation performed. To dig in a little bit deeper, we're going to click on the timestamp link here, which opens up the patch report details. You can see we have two batches. One has 200 entities, which is great, and one has 80. And we can see again that neither batch has any action for quarantine record, created, updated, or deleted records. From this screen, we're going to want to again select the timestamp. Will bring us to the next screen. You can also, I've demonstrated here, if you click on the actions gear there, you can also have the ability to look at batch processing details. You can resubmit the batch, or you can view the process execution that's related. After clicking on the timestamp link, it opens the batch ID. It opens the batch so you can see all the records that are in that batch. Any one of these records, you can select the action gear, which will bring up this menu here. In this situation, we're going to look at the transaction details specifically. So bring up the record, you'll be able to see the transaction ID associated. And we can see the history of what happened here. We can see that for this record, incorporation completed, but no operations were performed. Generally, it's good to ensure that if you're sending records that there will be operations performed. In this situation, we had none. This is another example. If you were to repeat the steps and locate a batch that you could see, there were actions, maybe records were quarantined or updated based on the inbound activity screen. We've drilled down through those same fields. And now we can see in this example, a golden record was in fact updated here. And that is an overview of how to take a look at inbound activity and batch report details along with the transaction details. I hope you have a wonderful day and come back again soon. Thank you.